మన చీఫ్ స్పాన్సర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సిలికాన్ డ్రోనా అనే స్పాన్సర్ గురించి శ్రీధర్ గారిని స్టేజ్ మీదకి రమ్మని సింగా కోరుతున్నాను. సిలికాన్ డ్రోనా గురించి శ్రీధర్ గారు మనకు వివరిస్తారు.
థ్యాంక్స్ అండి అనిత గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో మీ అందరికీ సిలికాన్ డ్రోనా తరఫున దసరా దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ ఓవర్ టుడే. అండ్ my friend Ari Reddy is based in Canada, so he told me to help me out with this one. So I told him that NZTA is there, so we should do something there so that we can do something for our community, especially kids. So I got involved in the project and we started this initiative. So Silicon Drona ante endannadi I'll start a PowerPoint presentation just to tell you briefly, and any doubts, queries edunna gani kindly get back to me and I will try to answer all your questions. So this is an initiative which Silicon Drona, Mr. Ari based in Toronto, he has started the project. So we got involved. And so what exactly is Silicon Drona? So I'll just go over there and start the presentation. We'll make it quick start. So every child is different. So there should not be one single way of treating or educating a kid. Everyone needs to be educated in a way which is custom designed to the purpose and fit. So you will agree, ento mandi parents ikkada unnaru, prati okka parent tama kids, they want to be doing something in the community. In the once they finish their education, they want to be involved in a career which is very fruitful. So every child is different, so is their way of learning. So the way we learn, teach them is different. So next slide please. Yeah, one size doesn't fit all. So personalized training, personal coaching delivered to a state of the art learning, e-learning process. So Silicon Drona ante this is a way wherein as per the needs of the kids, ekkada poyi time prakaramo you're going there and going to a coaching institute or training institute and getting your kids education. That's a way of yesterday's training. Now today's everybody wants a customized learning, so we come to your home on the internet or through a laptop. We start training your kids so that they can face the challenges of the future. So yeah, next slide please. Next slide. So with you today, Sridhar Nanegari. So myself, Nagun Cheppalante, I'm a business manager working with US-based pharma company, and I've done my MBA from Auckland University of Technology, Master of Science from India, and work experience. I worked with GSK, Zydus Cadila, Thermo Fisher, and NeilMed Pharmaceuticals. So this is just to tell you about myself. So as a person who is a keen educationalist and a person with a lot of academic qualification, I thought I will take up this project. So we have started this initiative. Next slide please. So our methodology is through Guru Shiksha Parampara. Dronacharya ante meeku andarki telusu. He was the most advanced teacher, who was an expert in the field. So Arjunani tayaru chesindi Dronacharya. So we are combining the ancient tradition of Indian education system with the latest advances. So that's how the name Silicon Drona has come out. So this is a Guru Shishya Parampara vidanga meeku andarki teaching training untundi, so that your kids are equipped to face the society. Next slide please. Janak, next slide. So what we teach Tarka Shastra, science of logic and reasoning, robotic process automation, video game programming, Python programming. Can you just shift? So these are the latest things, and also the other things like personalized coaching for below areas, primary, secondary, and tertiary and university. So this is the kind of education we are doing. Next slide please. Our approach is home-based online learning, on-demand project and homework support, smart classroom with interactive whiteboards. This is one of the best ways of making sure the kids learn things in a way they are able to face the future challenges in the latest advanced society. Yeah, we'll go to the next slide, please. So what's unique about us? Expert advisory committee comprising of research scholars from India, Canada, and US. Wealth of teaching experience, 15 to 30,000 combined hours of training and making sure kids come up to speed. Range of courses, institute and Ministry of Education recommended courses. These are the things. Next slide, please. We'll quickly run down the things. Yeah, courses covered, core subjects, mathematics, humanities, psychology, sociology, sciences, all the things. Qualitative subjects are another kind of additional things we are giving you. Logical programming, problem solving, decision making, qualitative and quantitative analysis. Reading and writing your CV, reading evidence-based learning, and these are the latest programs we are doing. Next slide, please. So it's a 4-stage teacher qualification. So manaku cheptunna ee teachers evaru ekkada ani meeku you might be all wondering who are the people who are teaching our kids. These are the teachers who are very well trained, who have been selected through a wide rigorous training process. What we have done, got the latest advanced people who are well educated and who know the things, the courses and the syllabus as per each country requisites, like in Australia or US or Canada or New Zealand. Next slide, please. We'll go to the next slide. We'll run down. Yeah, so these are the things already I've covered. Next slide, please. Services, it's a training platform study through our state-of-the-art living teaching program. Demand support national and international exam preparation. So you know there are so many advanced educations. After a 12th or 13th year, you might be all starting to wonder what my kid is going to do, whether he will go into a medicine stream or is going to go into an engineering stream. So these are the things you should not be worrying about because we got you covered. Next one. So these are the things already: SAT, MCAT, UCAT, BMAT, all the latest, so many things are there. So as parents, you should not worry about these things because there are people who are well trained and who can take care of these needs for you. Next slide, please. Contest preparation, Kiwi spelling bee. How many of you know there is a Kiwi spelling bee? I used to know there was one in US. US is very popular for spelling bees programs, but how many of you know there's a Kiwi spelling bee program? So you want your kids to be reciting a 35-word letter or pronouncing them, we will train you on that. Base, PIPS, camp entrance assessments and base and all the things which we will train you on. Next slide, please. I understand it's so much things to take. So what I'm doing is I'm just running down in a quick way so that if you got any other queries, you can always come back to me. Next one. Yeah, it's an on-demand project student admission process. Learn from home, schedule live sessions. No need of going to a training center, be it Kumons or etc., or any other training institute. We come to you in your living room so that we'll give you that time way sense or suits your purpose, not that one parent is running around the coaching and training centers and the other parent working down. So we train you, we come to your living rooms at a better quality education system as well as better prices. Next slide, please. So this will skip this. Next one. So Silicon Drona, we are also presenting Arjuna Awards for excellence in mathematics, reasoning, and English subjects. We are proud to announce the gold medal contest for students from grade 4 to grade 12. So get your kids Arjuna Pravinya, Arjuna Sri Suta. So there is other things we will be awarding your kids based on the. So thank you once again for New Zealand Telugu Association for giving this opportunity for Silicon Drona. Very much we are indebted to you, and we will also always be there to support you in all the way. Please do the great job you're doing, Srilata Garu and Krishna Reddy Garu. Intakundu cheppinattu, discipline is one important thing we should inculcate in our kids, and I feel once you got the best teachers, that discipline and that knowledge and the education system, you can impart to them, and they will be well equipped to rule the next generation or next way of life. Thanks everyone for your support, and any further questions regarding Silicon Drona, you can always contact me. Thank you very much guys for your time and your patience. Good evening. Thank you, Lada garu.
Thank you, Sridhar. Thank you, Hari garu. Thank you so much for your support. అందరికీ ఇది కిడ్స్ కండి మనకు ఉపయోగపడేది. మీరు ఇంట్లో ఉండే అన్ని చదువుకోవచ్చు. సో చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. లుక్ ఎట్ ఇన్ టు దట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, శ్రీధర్.